Welcome to the 27th Davao Agri Trade Expo and the 8th Davao Investment Conference, where trading and investments across agribusiness, tourism, manufacturing, and real estate intersect, now pushing beyond borders for a better and transformative Davao.
Agriculture today is no longer confined to the land we till or the seas we fish. It is being reshaped by innovation, connectivity, and sustainability. The very reason why it's beyond borders, because we're really trying to bring in the technology from outside so that on the perspective also of our local farmers and fisher folks, they would be able to understand that this is not just the typical farming thing. We really have to embrace the technology to make it more effective and efficient. Many of our young men and women are not really interested to go into agriculture, but we are hoping that with the introduction of the innovations that we have, the technology that is made available for any agribusiness or agriculture areas, this will help us not just to prepare for, of course, our food security here in the Davao and in the Philippines, but this will also give some good insights and invitations to our young ones.
In Davao Agri, it's our second year right now, and in Davao ICON, it's our first year. Our experience was great and memorable. That's why we joined the second time. This event highlights us through exposures in this trade fair and possible business magic. It also possibly opens the opportunity for a local product to scale up to global sector.
We are proud of our conference. This icon also invites foreign dignitaries as well as potential foreign investors as well as local potential investors to come and see Davao, explore our area and find out if there are any businesses that they would like to do business with or partner with. The Davao Icon highlights all the strengths that the Davao businesses have. I think the biggest takeaway here are the connections that are established in the camaraderie and of course the vibe, the possibilities, the endless possibilities for growing and expanding your business here in Davao City.
The historic convergence is more than just two flagship events. It is a powerful statement of how collaboration, innovation, and shared purpose can transform possibilities into reality.
I'd like to thank our foreign and local investors outside of Davao City for your interest in Davao City as an investment destination. It is truly heartwarming for us to know that you trust Davao City with your investment and finances.
No longer waiting to be discovered, Davao and the whole of Davao region is now confidently charting its course as one of the Philippines' most dynamic growth centers. It stands as a living proof of vision turning into action.
We commend the Davao City Chamber of Commerce and Industry Incorporated and your valued partners for organizing this year's 27th Davao Agri Trade Expo and 8th Davao Investment Conference.
Together, let us champion an agriculture that is innovative, inclusive, and sustainable. An agriculture that secures food for every Filipino while unlocking prosperity for the Davao region and beyond.
Together with our partners across industries and nations, we are not just advancing development, we are building a better Mindanao.
With the agriculture and investment landscape becoming more innovative and high-powered while aiming for global heights, truly we are now navigating towards a new frontier.